It's called the sneeze prank application. It's saying touch to continue. It's saying start time. You can adjust the time to 5 minutes delay or 2 minutes delay or a minute delay, and it says sneeze how often. Now this is often, this is rarely. You can put it down to often, and you just to show you, let me put the start time on 0 minute delay. You just say start the prank. You see, that's a prank, and he'll keep on playing those sneezing sounds. If you just tap the screen, it will show you the settings. It's pretty funny. You can maybe gather some sympathy from your friends if like you're sneezing and you want to go away, or something, you want to take rest. Just tap the screen, open the settings, set the delay time, and set the often or rarely meter, and prank along with your friends.